Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell down below so that you'll never miss another upload. In today's video, I am going to be talking about my traction alopecia, hair loss, and regrowth hair journey, and giving you some tips on how you can improve your traction alopecia if you're currently experiencing any type of hair loss due to, those tight hairstyles. So for me, my traction alopecia started in high school. I was probably about 16 years old, and my traction alopecia was caused by tight hairstyles because that is what causes traction alopecia. If you're constantly pulling your hair, doing those styles that cause that tension and that stress on your edges. So for me, it was tight ponytails. I did a lot of tight ponytails where I was pulling my hair up and very, very tight. And also I would wear those really tiny micro braids, is what we call them back in the day. Micro braids, those synthetic weaving hair that is braided into your own natural hair. So that pulled my hair out so much because the lady that did the braids, she put them in so tight where literally when I took out the braids, my hair was coming out with the braids, especially around my edges, and a lot of those parts of my hairline did not grow back. So in 2018, I did decide to get a hair transplant, and I mentioned before in previous videos that I was not 100% happy with the hair transplant because I didn't like how it looked. The areas where I had the traction alopecia, which was mainly on the right side of my hairline, still looked really thin to me, and I didn't like how it was done. So the density is still very low to this day. So I'm basically doing things to try to help improve the density and thicken up that area as well. So in order to thicken up some of those areas that I mentioned that were still thin, I am doing red light laser therapy. So I was sent out the Irestore Professional, which is right up my alley. And if you're experiencing hair loss too, red light therapy can help you. So I am going to do a quick demo so you can see how the Irestore Professional works. The Irestore Professional works similar to how plants use sunlight to grow. Hair follicles absorb red light to become stronger. This boosts blood flow, increases energy, ATP in the cells, and reactivates dormant follicles, helping hair grow back thicker and healthier. And you are going to see it illuminate. So the session is going to last for about 25 minutes, so that's all you need. Irestore is the most powerful LED hair device on the market. With a 1,410 megawatts total power output, it has 282 diodes, which is superior comprehensive coverage compared to competitors. It gives you full scalp coverage. As you can see, it's going to cover the top as well as the sides and the back. So that's going to cover your whole scalp. And LED and lasers ensure even and effective treatment. And what I love about the Irestore Professional is that you can buy it with confidence. It is FDA cleared, HSA, FHA eligible. There's a 12-month money-back guarantee, so you can try with confidence. If it doesn't work for you, you can always return it. So you have a full 12 months to try this out and see if it works for you. This is dermatologist tested and recommended. Treatment is just 25 minutes a day, 3 times a week. And you can see thicker, fuller hair in as little as 3 months. And I will put the before and after pictures to prove what I'm talking about. Amazing before and after results. Be sure to check out the description box for a major discount. And let us grow our hair back together. So getting back to my traction alopecia hair loss and regrowth journey, it has been quite the journey. When I went through my whole traction alopecia, it was like 20 years later until I actually did something about it. I was just basically covering up the side of my hairline with a left side part just to cover like this area. But yeah, my before was dramatic. I was super bald on the right side of my hairline. The traction, even though I didn't 100% like the hair transplant, it did help add more hair where there wasn't hair before, so I do appreciate that. Even though I didn't 100% like my results and my hairline and all of those things, the density was still low, but I do have more hair there and I'm grateful for that. So I would recommend, if you're suffering from alopecia like I did, to look into a hair transplant and also the red light laser therapy as well. Stop pulling your hair. Braids, tight ponytails, any tight styles where it's snatching our edges out, please stop doing it. If you're starting to notice hair loss, if you've had your hair braided, if you've had sew-ins and you're losing your edges, please stop. Just don't do those styles anymore. We got to do better. That's all. We got to do better. So, you know, my journey has been long and it's still not perfect, and that's okay. If anybody has any questions on anything, be sure to leave them down below in the comment section down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.